Hey,
It's time to eat.
we're out in the yard today and we're setting up a pizza party. And we're going to grill the pizzas ourselves with the pizza oven. I'll walk around and show you what we got started here.
I'm hungry. It's time to eat.
Yeah, we're going to have some good food now. All right, over here at the picnic table, we're going to sit here with Josh and Jamie, my son and his girlfriend, and we're going to enjoy some good food. We're just having some appetizer kind of food here right now. And this is where we're going to sit after the pizzas are finished baking. And then over here, on this side of the yard, we have our pizza oven set up. Well, you're fueling this today with gas, right?
Propane, yeah. Propane accessories.
Okay. And it's not heated up yet, but it has a pizza stone inside, which is what we're going to slide the dough in on, and we're going to dress up each person's pizza as an individual, however they like it. They can put all the toppings on they want, they can stretch it out as much as they want, but we're going to use the pizza peel to slide it in.
Pretty soon.
Right? Like that. And when it comes out, it's going to get on this wooden pizza peel. And then we're going to use some cornmeal to keep it nice and slippery. We have different kinds of sauces here that are chunky, smooth, and 4-cheese Alfredo. Then we have some toppings for seasoning, oregano and garlic powder. We have pepperoncini peppers. We have chopped up garlic. We have the broccoli, which we like to also mix with the cheese, ricotta cheese, and I have that in the cooler yet. Also, if somebody doesn't want to use pizza dough, they can use these personal non-shells, which are nice to make pizza out of. We have a work area here to chop up some of the dough, and we have all kinds of tools to work with over here. We even have s'mores that we're going to make afterwards for dessert in the oven. So let's show them in the cooler, Rick.
Dough.
This is the pizza dough, which I got from the pizzeria. So we're going to cut that into quarters or thirds. And here we have drinks, and we have some snacking food.
I can snack something now. What is that?
Yeah. Do you want a snack? It's I can go in there.
Well, after.
We have toppings like pepperoni and sausage and onions. And we have loads of fresh mozzarella.
Drinks.
Drinks, right? So we just wanted to bring you to our pizza party, show you how we can do it outside with a grill, and we're gonna have some fun. Just want to show you some of the food after we make it.
Before we make it, too.
What?
And before we make it.
And before we make it.
Lay down. Moon cool. Even cool on the moon. Honk.
Here comes our visitors, Josh and Jamie. We're ready to start the party.
Get this.
Yours is going to be good too. I don't know if I'll toss them. I'm turning it.
Oh, after.
Okay.
Nice. start making mine.
Okay, put your pizza over there. You're gonna turn mine and stuff?
No, it's your
I
job.
don't know how to turn it.
It's yours and I'll
You turn it with
record
this?
You want me to record you?
Turn it with this?
Is that piece right there?
You can turn mine because I know how to turn it. Oh, I'm afraid it's gonna
Rick, you gotta turn hers. Oh, Josh will do it. Josh, is yours done enough?
It's gonna be funny because it's like a football.
Yeah, it's nice.
football.
It's a nice shape though.
She has a long one too.
Yeah. It looks like a piece of pie, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oof. Krustafuzzle.
Yeah, we're gonna have a little garlic
Krustafuzzle.
here. Peppers.
Woof. Look at that. Oh.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
Jesus. Okay. You're knocking my stuff off.
You done?
Would have made a pizza look like
My
football.
pizza looks better than yours. Hush it.
I like the cheesy stuff.
She made a triangle pizza.
Yeah, it looks like one big slice.
Yeah.
And then a little broccoli. And there's lots more cheese, so don't be afraid of using it.
Like that?
I don't know.
A little more. A little more.
Oh, look, there's more.
It's a little soft yet.
Yeah.
Oh, Josh.
A little mix. That side, nothing gotta be good.
At least it's getting.
But you gotta turn it 3 times.
Yeah,
Like,
because every
they're
time you
not round.
turn it, every time you turn it, it's getting like stiffer, you know, nicer to turn. See what Rick's doing here. Just grab a piece of it. Okay, here goes Rick.
There you go. All right. These two
How's-
we'll move these and go.
you wanna try it?
Boy.
Just like,
Oh, nice.
put some of this stuff on it.
Yep. Dress it up.
Some oregano. It looks good. And some garlic. Is it garlic? Yeah.
Yep, garlic powder.
Ready.
Yep.
Uh-oh. Jamie, my pizza's getting folded in half.
Is it?
It's a pizzone.
I'm sorry. Look at that.
It's okay with me.
happened to yours?
It's gonna be delicious.
2 plates.
He always says that. What happened to yours? Thanks for that plate.
In and out.
Okay,
Sorry. Wow.
that's good, that's good. You're making a nice one?
Yep. I'm practicing.
He practiced on us.
Yeah. Bike for sale. Wait. Sterile.
Okay, here it goes.
And there it stays.
Oh, you're gonna cook it on the peel. Okay, we'll try that.
Very appealing.
Oh,
That was easy.
yeah, you got the knack.
Once you get the crust off.
Once it gets firm, you can Pull it out, turn it a little, put it back.
Mm-hmm.
Start the tablecloth.
Yeah, tablecloth might have been a bad idea on my part. Look at that.
Oh, that does look like
Yeah.
pizza from a pizza shop.
All right, now Rick has another piece. Hey, that one came out really
The
nice
more we
too.
practiced, the better
Yeah.
it is.
That's,
That looks
oh
like a regular
wow,
slice there.
that's like perfect too. Hey, thanks for joining our pizza party. Hope you had fun too.